Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I did my mom's braid out. I don't style her hair that much, so I just want to kind of show you guys the finished result and what that looks like. So if you're interested, just stay tuned. So right now, I'm done with my mom's most of her head. I just plaited it. This is the third braid out that I've done since she's had the locks. And I have this much left, but she's been really antsy. Can you tell me why you're antsy? What's the problem, ma'am?
I don't like sitting in a chair for a long period of time.
Okay, but this is only the third time that I've done your hair. So
okay, I'm 50 years old. I'm like little children. I don't have enough patience. Okay, I'm done already. All right.
Okay, but it's gonna. Don't you want it to look crinkly and flowy when you're done?
Yes, I want to look like a queen.
She has her gummy bears, really like little kids. And I guess she'll eat these. And she's swinging her little legs. I guess she'll eat these as I
This
finish.
is my calmer. You should try it. Gummies are the best.
Yeah, she really does like gummy bears. But, okay, I'm gonna finish and then I'll come back. I left this lock out because this is a baby lock that we had to restart. And so it's just kind of growing, doing its own thing. So, yeah. Yeah, and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys the finished result. This is the eve leading up to her 50th. So we're trying to come up with a cute style, and she never styles her hair, so yes.
49 and counting. I'm so excited.
Yeah, so this is the next day. We had traveled to Michigan, and so I braided it at my house and I took it down when we got back to Chicago. And there was no like method. I just plaited. I tried to do some of them in cornrows, so some of it would have a little lift, but you know, some of them ended up being singular plaits. So I just did them small so that there would be a lot of definition. I started off using water, and then I think I switched maybe to conditioner, and then by the end of it, I mixed, because the conditioner was running out, so I mixed the conditioner and the water together to kind of like so that her hair would be damp, and so that, you know, the next day her hair would be crinkly. However, while the crinkles came out nicely with that formula, the crinkles did not last long. I think they only lasted like maybe a day or two. So I think, in my personal opinion, that the longer your hair gets, I think it is more likely that you will need some type of mousse or something for your hair to stay for a longer period of time. But yeah, so basically what I'm just doing is just unbraiding them, going through and fluffing it out. She was working because she's working from home, so she just wasn't happy, I guess, to have to be working on her birthday, but I still wanted to make her hair pretty so it could still be, you know, somewhat of a good day. Okay, now swoop around the chair and say hello to me. Oh, you look so pretty on your 50th birthday. Let's go to the mirror and see how I look.
Wow. I'm impressed.
How does it look? How you like it?
I like it.
It's come such a long way. It's so beautiful. It's thick. this is, you know, for those of you who may be concerned, like, oh, my hair is too thin, like MICROLOCS and SISTERLOCKS, they're still good for you. I will link my mom's starting video below so what you can see where she started. Her hair is freshly retightened. Turn to the side. And it's literally just flourishing like a plant. Other side. And it's just so nice to see because, you know, we both were skeptical when we first started, so it's nice to see how it's blossomed. Is there anything else you want to say?
No, I'm just happy.
Okay. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.